Some of us speak Bangla at the party. From always safe to service from the heart, we are committed to making your journey hassle-free and comfortable. Your cooperation with the crew instructions will help us provide you a pleasant journey. Indigo Blue Jet, our brand new loyalty program. A special welcome to all our Indigo.
Read our safety instruction card on how to use the slides of flight rafts. A safety information card and a communication guide are available in green. Thank you for your attention. हमारी एक्सेल सीट्स शुल्क पर उपलब्ध है। कृपया विमान टर्मिनल से संपर्क करें। अपनी रसीद लेना ना भूलें और एक्स्ट्रा लेग रूम का आनंद लें। Enjoy extra leg room with XL seats on this flight. Available for a fee with a receipt. Unwind in spacious comfort during your flight. Please contact the all mobile phones must be switched off or in the flight mode at this time. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, हम अपने यात्रियों को याद दिलाना चाहेंगे कि सरकारी नियमों के अनुसार विमान